All right, what's up, guys? So today's my birthday, so I'm gonna keep this one a little bit short. I actually just jumped in on RCMT. So basically, this thing looked like it was doing an ABCD pattern. So as you can see, ABCD is supposed to pop up. It's like a W. I always look for these patterns like a W or an M. So obviously the M would be shorting and the W would be going long. So I was looking above this area to jump in, and as soon as it popped above here, I hit my hotkey. I did not get filled. It went up without me, and I'm like, man, look at this. This thing's going without me. But it ended up coming back down on this candle. So I decided I was just going to take the risk and jump in. If it goes below this level, I would just jump out. But I jumped in right there. It popped up, and I sold. And then it continued to go up. Volume was picking up. It continued to go up. So I saw it approaching go time. So I decided to jump back in right there. And then it just wouldn't do anything. It went up a little bit and it was stalling. So I said, okay, maybe this thing is about to take a dump. So I got out. So I took a little bit of a loss there. But one win and one loss, still came out on top. You guys can see 1480 for total. I jumped in at 1033, jumped out at 1037. This was a pretty nice move, and then I jumped in at 1150, and then I sold at 1144. So I took the loss right there. Not too bad. As you guys can see, my losses are very small compared to my wins. Why is that? Because I'm always eyeballing this triangle right there, and the second it goes close, you see this dotted green line, that's what I'm watching. As soon as it gets close to this triangle, boom, I'm out. I'm done. I'm out. So I don't want it to go below. Um, I mean, it's already made a very big move. Look at this. It went from 988. It went all the way to 11, 9, 10. It's $2 move. So, of course, I'm going to sell quick because some people are going to take profits. And good thing I did sell quick because if you look here, look what happened then. Boom. It got halted right there. Then when it opened up over here, and then it just slammed down. You know. So yeah, it opened up at 1150, and then it just slammed down. As you can see, it just continued to go down. So good thing I did get out. We always know go time is a resistance area. So that's why sometimes, most of the time, my strategy is jumping in above go time. So, um, go time is but if it's coming from this low, obviously, you might want to sell before it reaches to this area because a lot of people are going to take profit. It's just the way it goes. And that's it. It was an ABCD pattern, so I jumped in early and I took this move. One win, one loss. That's about it for the day. Again, 1033, out at 1076, and then I jumped in 1150, and I jumped in out at 1144. I started recording late, so I'll just show you guys what I recorded. I don't think you guys saw when I jumped in. I'm actually watching this recording right now too. So this is let's play. So basically, I tried to jump in here. I didn't get filled. Again, I didn't get filled. So now I'm watching this thing go without me. And luckily, I'm watching the 9 EMA, which is the yellow line right there. So I'm saying to myself, okay, if it stays above the 9 EMA, I'm going to jump back in. But I needed to do a small pullback. So I'm watching for it to do a pullback. As you can see, this candle is about to close out. 5 seconds left. Now it dropped below, and now I'm seeing if it goes above VWAP. You can see the blue line, VWAP is right there. Boom, it goes above VWAP, I'm in. And then it does this small pop. I'm selling. So, I'm just taking quick profits. So as soon as it went above VWAP, I got in. So then it kept going without me, and then I'm like, wow, this thing is still strong, and I'm watching volume kick in. So I jump back in, and then look. It's just not doing much, so I just got out quick. And good thing I did that because that was it. that was the end of it. As you can see over here, it got halted and then slammed down. So that was it for the day. Hope you guys got some value out of this one. Hey, do me a favor, hit that like button, that thumbs up button, hit that thumbs up button, and then if you don't like the video, hit the thumbs down button. But don't just watch the video and don't do nothing. Like, do something, hit one of those buttons. Let me know if you like the video, if you don't like the video. That way I know, if I should make some better ones or whatever the case may be. So anyways, that's about it for today. It's my birthday. I'm about to just go out and buy some things. I'm gonna go, I don't know, I'm gonna go to the jewelry store right now and see what's up. So anyways, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Alright, so enjoy your day. Don't forget, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment below. Let me close this out. And again, if you guys do not have trade ideas, look, RCMT, it was #1 there. It was up 160 something pre-market. So obviously I'm going to look at it. It was right there. It's #1. So of course I'm going to take a look at it, and that's the one I went with. Okay, so trade ideas. If you don't have trade ideas, click on that link below and subscribe to it. And again, if you do subscribe to it, using my code, my link, I'll go ahead and help you set up your platform for free. Normally I charge like $300 for my layout, but if you go ahead and use my link, I'll give it to you for free. I don't care. All right, guys, I'll chat with you guys another day. Comment.